Why do YouTube creators and marketers struggle to get clicks on their videos? For many, it's not just about the content they create. It's the frustration of seeing their hard work go unnoticed, while others get all the views. Low-click thumbnails mean fewer views, slower channel growth, and less money in their pockets. The real problem? It's not what you think. Most creators assume it's about the video itself or the title. But the real root cause is a lack of design skills and data. Without the right tools, thumbnails fail to grab attention. And that's why many creators struggle to stand out. Common solutions like spending hours designing thumbnails or hiring freelancers often lead to disappointment. They don't address the real issue, but there's a better way. Clickly uses AI to create scroll-stopping thumbnails in under 60 seconds. No design skills needed. Chris, a YouTube creator, said, "Clickly completely changed how my thumbnails look. He's getting more clicks and finally stands out in the feed." Sarah, a lifestyle creator, shared, "I used to spend hours designing thumbnails. Now Clickly gives me high-impact thumbnails in minutes." Imagine getting more views, growing your channel faster, and boosting your income. With Clickly, creators can finally showcase their content effectively. Click below to discover how we achieve more clicks and views with Clickly's AI-powered thumbnails.